What's up guys, it's your boy Dills and Thrills. We're out here at the house actually. We're experiencing a bit of a snow day. I guess it's a record-breaking 24-hour snow for our area.
It's like snowing like crap outside.
We are actually pretty much closed for everything tomorrow. My work shut down. I know a lot of guys' work shut down, a lot of schools canceled. So we're gonna go out.
I'm gonna get in the car and drive.
See if we can get a little rowdy in the snow today. It's not too terribly cold out here. Oh, that wind. It's the wind what really gets you. Oh, man, look at that. That's insane. It's probably up to here. Probably about 6 inches.
6 inches.
Man. Ooh. We'll let her warm up a little bit. Wow. That says 8 inches right there. That's pretty deep. About 8 inches. I'm waiting on Bryce to get here right now. What's he up to, George? I ate shit a little bit, but that's all right. Yeah. Oh. Dude, he's gonna blow his tires. That was like they're gonna be even bolder now. That was mostly rubber. Okay, that's fine.
Come on, Brian.
Dude, I ate there.
I watched you.
I wish you had a hitch.
Yeah, me too.
I can go around.
I'm dragging, dude. I'm the only one that hasn't spun out yet.
Well, you know.
Oh, Brody got off the road again. Oh no, Bryce! Bryce about smacked him.
Dude, and that Jeep behind him's backwards somehow. That was a close one. I was trying to get in 4 low. That's why. That's
No.
he bounced. That was a great save, Bryce.
Which gas station is it? The one by 40 or like down at Eaton there?
I'm talking about the one like right by 7.
I got you.
2 hours later.
Dude, he just like, dude, it heading right to reverse.
Dude, that's nuts.
McGrill, that was insane, dude. What the f is that? You just 360 no-scoped into a parking spot. Dude, what did you think? Did you think you were in a wreck there for a second?
No.
Because you were like,
I was confident. Listen.
how many? Dude, you just missed McGrill, almost creamed that GMC. He came in here lying and he went around twice and he went backwards and just rolled right into the spot he was in. Sorry, you're good now. Dude, J-Todd, are you gonna whip some shitties with us?
That's what it's for. That's what it's for.
Dude, what happened to your front end?
Well, what the hell, boy?
Come on, whip with us. I got my winch and I got a kinetic rope, so.
That's a level 3.
You know, but we don't care.
This truck hasn't been registered since like 3 years ago.
Oh yeah. Do you want to whip? We'll wait for you.
Dylan, did you just pick up a random person?
No, it's J Todd. He went riding with us. Brody, that was unreal.
We'll hook boats to it. That is such a long strap. Hey, I feel you. Hey, man.
We got kind of embarrassed on the first donut we did, but
Dude, Bryce going out there?
let's just make number 3. Second time being pulled out.
You can jerk with that.
Hold on! Oh!
It's gonna work better if you jerk. Brody, he's gonna jerk you. Alright, stop. I was slipping now. That was scary.
You can jerk him. All right.
Yeah, alright, you didn't need to really.
Oh, buddy, I'm cold. Dude, I can't believe I missed this. But I never would have thought.
Oh,
And then sure enough, he went straight into it.
Oh, no, they're calling. Hold on.
Yeah.
God damn. Oh. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
I know.